awesome guys, I'm Asen. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to check out my playlist. It's amazing and remarkable and worth watching. Okay, this is xy plus 10. Xy equals x times y.
Oh, here's your solution. We forgot to show it. Okay.
This is my solution. Xy equals x times y. Of course, it's true.
So we'll go to the
And
next.
2 times 7, which is x equals 2 and y equals 7, so because it's a times on here, so I just copied it. It's 14 times 10, 24. And
Okay, next.
yes, 14 plus 10, 24. We do next. Xy minus 3. X is still equal to 2 in the next problem. That's good. X is still equal to 2 on my solution.
Okay.
But now y changed. Y equals negative 5.
Where's your solution?
Okay, since y equals negative 5,
Oh no, there's a carpenter.
since y equals negative 5, since it's xy, and that means 2 times negative 5, which means negative 10 minus 3, and we get this one, negative 13, because negative 10 minus 3 is the same as negative 10 plus negative 3. It's nearly like 10 plus 3, but the answers are now negative. Well, except for the one with the positive part. See, you see that's negative 13. Well, this one is positive 13. And you can see that it's all positive on here and it's all negative since I did 10 minus 3. And you can see that it's so amazing on here. You can make this math problem.
Okay, what is your answer?
X. Okay.
Oh.
The answer is negative 13. You can see on both sides it's negative 13. My final answer. I just copied the negative 3 from here. Or just minus 3. Okay, here we see that the negative 13 is here. Negative 13. Yeah, correct! Okay, negative 4xy. Wait, are you kidding me? Negative x, negative 4xy. Okay, hey, now x,
Or next week.
now x changed. I is
equals?
5. Okay, x
Right.
equals, x equals 4, y equals 5, and d equals 5. Wait, y and d are the same.
Okay.
See, y and d are same.
Okay.
Okay.
Copy this one.
Okay. Negative 4. Wait, I'll just say the
Okay.
x equals y because it's negative 4xy. It's negative 4xy plus d. That's the answer.
Okay.
Oh,
No, that's
plus
already
y
given.
or d. Okay, never matters on the d and y. Okay, and it matters. I mean, doesn't matter. Okay, and negative 4x equals 4, and y equals 5. Okay, 4 times 5. See, I put parentheses here because it's this is I solved it. Okay, and plus d.
Plus 5. Okay.
I just already know that d equals 5 because
Okay, just put it
I
here.
just don't need to put it in
Okay,
a.
just put it there.
I just need to put it here. Okay, hey, and then we put we see that it's negative 4 times 20, and then plus 5. Okay, this is an easy problem for me. It's negative 80 plus 5, which is negative 75. Okay, Negative 75 is my final answer. You box it. You can also circle it if we like. It matters if our choice, if there's no teacher to say whether it's minus or something. Negative 75. Haha, I did this. Okay, we just enter. I'm correct. I'm a great brain calculator.
Oops. What happened?
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's about to say so I did it a while ago. Okay. If now, okay.
Yeah, next week.
Right now. Everything changed. Okay, woo my gosh, okay. Yes, D equals 9. Y equals negative 3. And X equals negative 2. And evaluate D minus 7x squared. Y. X squared times Y. Right?
Okay, correct.
Okay. It equals to 9 minus x squared is negative 2. Oh, squared is 4. Well, positive 4.
Okay.
Positive 4 times 7. Oh, 7 times 4, I know it's 28. And times y. Oops. It looks like xy. Oops, I just
Maybe that.
I just need to. Oh my gosh. Okay. I just already know that y is negative 3. So we just do the 28 times negative 3 first. And we can see that. Oh my gosh. This is so amazing. 28 times negative 3. Wait a second, I need a calculator. I don't know what 28 times tables. I just only know 7 times tables. Okay, 28 times what is y? Negative 3 times negative 3. What? Okay. 28 times negative 3. 28.
Calculator's broken.
So good. Okay. 28 times negative 3.
You can do it manually.
Negative 84. I'm gonna try to see something. Okay. And 9 minus 28 times y. It's negative
Just do
3.
it manually.
Okay,
But use with your pen or your brain.
why did this appear? I didn't press how clear. I just pressed something equals. Okay, I answered 93 in a flash. And we'll submit, and we're correct! I'm so happy. Oh, we're correct. Oh, d squared plus 7xy. Okay. If d is 5, oh, just like the answer problem. And y is negative 1. And it's gonna evaluate. X is the same as y. I can't believe x is the same as y. Okay. D squared plus 7xy. Okay. I will turn this into a great problem. I'll turn it into this one. 5 squared. I know it's 25. And then we do plus negative 1 times negative 1. Ooh, I know it's positive 1. Let me try to see. Ooh, I knew it was a positive 1. Okay. 5 squared plus 7. Well, because x and y just makes positive 1, but when we times it together, you see that invisible times right there. See, there's invisible times. See, invisible times symbol. So I know you have to times it. 1 times 7 is just 7. The 1 gets gone forever. And this equals to 25 plus 7, which is a math problem that I already know. And I know it equals to 32.
What happened? X and Y cancels out?
Yes, the x and y are no longer there. It turns into 7. See, the x and y are cancelled. Do you know how could that be? Because negative 1 and negative 1, and there's invisible times right there.
Okay.
And I know when it times 1 by 7, the x and y are just only 1. So when you times it by 7, the 1 is eliminated.
Okay. So the answer is 3.
Yes, the 1 doesn't do anything to 7.
Okay.
So the answer is 32, but let me double check in my calculator.
What?
Okay, 5 squared plus 7. 32.
Okay.
Yes. And then we did a 32. And then we... Woo! I'm so happy. 32 a 2048 number. That's so amazing. Yes, I already know that. Ooh, 1073741824117. I don't need to explain all those crazy big numbers in 2048. Okay, d squared. D squared, but it's nearly the same. It only has the same of the d squared. But the xy is still there. Okay, this time d is 8. And this time y is negative 4. And negative again. Well, but x is a positive. X equals 7. I'm so lucky it has a 7. Rainbow. Okay. D squared. That means 8 squared. And then minus negative 4 and 7. Okay. 10 times negative 4 times 7. We can see this answer is equal to 64 minus 10 times negative 28. And since it's negative, it would just be so confusing right here. Okay, we do the times first. 10 times negative 28, which equals to 64 plus negative, it's multiplying negatives together, so I'll make it a positive. 64 plus 280. Ooh, this is an easy problem. It is not tricky.
Positive and negative, right?
Oh my gosh. It's 10 times negative 28. Negative, it's negative. See, you can see these.
No, but is the 10 positive or negative? Positive.
It's negative 10x. Because I just put the negative 10.
Oh.
It's really a minus sign, so I think this is the one for negative 10. Not the minus sign, but if I do that, it would be 64 minus negative 280, which will be turned into a plus already. See, it doesn't matter. You can see that the math doesn't matter whenever you do just for one to another thingy, okay? And you can see that 64 plus 280, that's a thing. 64 plus 280. 344. Okay, see. Okay, I ended with 344, and we will enter, and I am correct.
Very
See,
good.
it doesn't matter whenever these and so on, the negatives turn into positive. Let's see, d squared minus 3xy. It keeps getting that d squared and
Next
xy
paper,
part.
next paper.
No,
Next paper.
no, don't flip the page around, of course.
You like this? Turn the page or not?
Turn the page, you see another
This
one.
normal paper.
Then just a new one. Oh, I see it. I see it. Oh,
This
whoa,
is
that's a
clean
marker.
Oh no.
That's good.
But your paper, the clean one, the clean one.
Ooh, this is a good one.
Which one? Okay, there. Okay, go.
Okay. D squared minus 3xy. Okay. And if D equals negative 4 and y equals negative 9. Excuse me, sorry I burped. X equals negative 2 and evaluate. Sorry. Evaluate sorry. Evaluate sorry. I'm so D is negative 4. Negative 4 squared is the same as positive 4 squared. It doesn't matter because it don't matter whichever the negative sign is. If it's negative 3 or D minus and so on, it doesn't matter. So, until you do negative 4 squared, since D equals negative 4, and since y equals negative 9, we do minus 3xy, okay? 3 parentheses, then what is the x? I know, see, x is negative 2. It doesn't matter if you switch the order, it doesn't matter, you can read it as yx, but most people will say xy.
I'm sorry. And
Negative 2 times negative 9. Ooh, this is an easy problem. It's equal to 16 minus 3 times 18, and you can see that some of them are positive except for the negative 3 or 16. This doesn't matter. Okay, this time I'll choose this to be minus sign right now because 16 minus now. Okay, 3 times 18. Ooh, I'm not sure if I think it was 42. Wait, what? I'm not sure. 18 times 3, it's 54. It's 54. Oh my gosh. Okay, how did I forget 18 times 3? Okay, 54 equals 54 and 16 minus. Don't forget that. Okay, since we did the multiplication first, that's in order of operations. You can check my video if you wanted to. And 16 minus 54. Okay, 16 minus 54 is oh my gosh, this is so negative to me.
yeah.
Yes, 16 minus 54. Okay, since 16 minus 54 is negative 38, we can see that this is a 3080. Boom, 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 boom. 4 corners. Okay, I could not believe I'm doing this with my pencil. I can't believe I'm doing this with my pencil.
Wow.
I'm correct in using my pencil. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I tapped that with my pencil. Okay. D plus 10xy squared. Okay, the y squared right now. So we see that D equals 4. D equals 4. And y equals negative 8. And we see that x equals 5. Then evaluate d plus 10xy squared. Okay, now we do this. 4 plus 10 times 5. Wait. Oh yes, 5 times -8 squared. Okay, -8 is the squared one, not the 5 and -8, of course, because some of you might at times get confused if you're not knowing math and just trying to go on here, but it's okay. I still learned algebra. Okay, 5x, we just do the parentheses first, but I just want to do the order of operations. Oh, they're shaking hands. Of course they're positive with each other. They say positive words to each other. That's so funny. Okay, here. And it equals to... And then we do the 5 times positive 64. Which is 64. Okay. This is now an easy problem for me. Let's see, and then we go
64 times 5.
4 plus 10, and we can see that it equals to 320.
Okay.
I know. When you do 5 times 64, it's so easy. It's 320 because you divide the 64 by 2 and times it by 10, because 10 divided by 2 is 5, and that's the right one. Okay.
Okay.
This is so easy. There's 320 times that 4 plus 10. I know. 320 times 10 is 3200 or 3200. And we do 4 plus 3200. There you go. 3204. See, we just blew it out. I just need to make it more clear. See? Well, it's not a 2048 number, even though it looks like it. The good news is it can be divided by 2 or 4, just only up to 4, I think. Okay.
What is your answer?
The 3204.
Sure. This is my answer. But maybe you're right. You're the mathematician.
Yes, but I think I'm gonna get wrong on here. I just hope I'm not.
I don't know.
Woo! I'm correct. I know Abby, I'm so
I'm
correct.
wrong.
I know Abby, I'm correct. And please click the like. It's so easy to know.
You're so happy because you're so good. Even you just learned this, huh?
I like it. I like it.
Okay, my memory card is always getting full. My memory is running low.
Oh my gosh. Okay, d squared. Okay. This time d equals 4. Oh, it's the same as this. Okay, we do it again. I can't believe it. It's because it's the same.
Okay, my memory is running
D
wild.
equals 4, and then it's a y equals 9. Okay, and then we do
But be sure you're
x
correct.
equals 7, and if I get d squared equals 10xy.
Copy the problem first.
D squared times 10xy. I'm familiar.
Again. Wait. There's no baby. This is bad. Look. It's not
Oops.
times.
Plus. Okay. Okay, not times, it's plus. Okay, I switch the times sign to the plus.
Okay, don't hurry. Because I don't want you to make mistake.
Okay, it's this one equals to, yes, it's d equals 4 again. Okay, 4 squared plus 10 times 9 times 7. Ooh, this is easy. Exponents first. Okay. And then we do this. Wait, we do want to do it in a both form. 16 plus 10 times 63. Okay. We see that it equals to...
You don't have paper? Here. Smudge right here.
I think it's okay. I'm still continuing it. Okay. 16 times... plus. I'm always getting confused. Okay. And then we do this. 16 plus 630. 630 small. Okay. See, 630 times 10, you just add a 10 like that. Just cancel the 1 out. Okay. And then we see this one. 646. Okay, 646. Yes, I'll box my answer of 646.
Are you sure 100%?
Yes, it's 20 less than the bad number, 666. 646. Okay. And then we just... Woohoo!
Very good.
Correct!
Amazing.
Woohoo!
Only one
Looks
left.
like a tapped
Who's
ship.
the last?
Looks like a tap... No, looks like a tapped ship. Ship, not ship. Not ship.
A ship. Or not ship.
Ship.
Okay, ship.
It's like I have ships. Ship is... It's so funny.
I think I'll delete
Okay.
another video so it will
Okay.
fit.
D plus
I'm running out of
8x2y. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. D plus 8x squared times y. Okay. Well, D equals -4 here. I just changed that. And y equals 5. Instead of x. And x equals 1. Ooh. I don't need to write that x then. Okay. -4 plus 8 and 1 squared is 1 and 1 times 5, which is just 5. I just need to shortcut it because always 1 keeps appearing. If 1 keeps appearing, then it must be removed from the equation sometimes. Even though sometimes 1 is just a lonely number. 1 is a lonely number, I know. 1 is just, for example, 1 finger pointing on your hand. But since we have 2 fingers, it adds as a great
It's so remarkable. Yes, I couldn't.
Yes,
You're better
we
than
have
when it comes
10
to this.
fingers.
Algebra, good. So good.
Yes, you can see that -4 plus 8 times 5. You can see this one as it equals.
Operation.
Yes, it equals to -4 plus 40. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is a tiny bit tricky. Negative.
Tricky.
Okay, so -4 plus 40. 36. We can exchange the sequence. Oh my gosh, that is so great. Thank you, calculator. Bye. Okay, 36. We lost this 36, 4 times 9. Okay, that's also one answer. Okay. 36. Oh my gosh, I'm not even tapping it. Oh my gosh. Okay, 36. Okay, since 36 is off my answer. I am so happy I'm right! Oh, 10 out of 10! It's so amazing! Oh, it's so amazing! I did! Without even sleeping. And please subscribe to my channel. And please click the like. And please check my playlist. And please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. And please click the like. It's so amazing, I like it, and please subscribe to my channel, woohoo! And I'd like to thank Complete Education Australia for their best quality education that is so fun and exciting. Kindly visit their website at www.completeeducationaustralia.com.au.
It's so amazing.
And it's so amazing even though it's very long.
Thank you. Bye.
Yes, and bye.
Follow me on Facebook.
And follow me on Facebook called Ace and Christophe High School Journey. Bye.